We're here with Greg today. Greg Doom serves as our welding program instructor at CIHS, and we're excited to learn a little bit about the Blue Jacket welding program here today. So welcome, and thanks for joining us.
Well, thank you. It's great to talk to you. This is awesome. Thanks for being here.
Can you tell us a little bit about your program and about the students who are enrolled in your program?
Yeah, so 9th through 12th graders, and there's different levels. There's a level Welding 1 class, which is more of the basic one, and then after that they can take a Welding 2 class, and then after that there's a class called Vocational Welding, which is a year-long welding class, and that's where really all the high-end skills are taught, is in that vocational welding class. That's where they really become career-ready as welders.
Cool. And when students who take that vocational class, they extend, what do they typically do after it? If I'm interested as a student and I take all of those courses and I want to go into the field, what are some opportunities for me?
Yeah, there's really a lot of directions they can go. Obviously, they can get a job right out of high school in welding if they want to. They can go to a technical college and get work on a welding degree through a technical school. They do get dual enrollment with St. Cloud Technical College, so they are getting college credits in the class, but they could also get a job right out into the trade. Some kids work right here in Cambridge. There's a place called Aero Tank and Engineering, one of our business partners. There's Schlegel's, kids have gotten jobs there. And really there's all kinds of welding jobs around this community. So lots of places they can work when they graduate from high school.
Great. So tell me a little bit about your alumni and students who have specifically come onto your program, some of the jobs they've had.
Yeah, the Cambridge area does have pretty high employment for welders. There's a lot of jobs for welders in our area and the surrounding community. So kids can get a job right out of high school in welding if they want to. Obviously, some kids are going to want to go to school, maybe a technical school for welding. We're dual enrolled with St. Cloud Technical College's welding program, so kids get college credits here for a welding program if they want to pursue that. Some kids have gotten jobs right here in town, like I said. Some kids have worked for the railroad. Some kids have gotten jobs as iron workers, you know, working way up off the ground, super dangerous work. And so there's really a huge spectrum of things that kids can do.
Awesome. You mentioned a couple of your business partners in the area. Who are some of them, and tell us a little bit about your business partners?
So Aero Tank and Engineering has been a great partner for us through the many, many years. They donate lots of steel to our program, and it's been outstanding. A company Schlegel's in town. You've driven by Schlegel's hundreds of times. You know exactly where they are. They've donated steel to us. And then Isanti, there's a company in Isanti called Tab and Slot Weld Tables. They've also donated steel to us.
Very great. Tell us a little bit about what you envision an apprenticeship program could look like at some point.
Yeah, so an apprenticeship works really good kind of for everybody. It's really good for the kids to learn in that style of learning. And a lot of kids really thrive in that hands-on model on a job site and making money. And it's also really good for the business owners because they get to sort of grow a young person into their specific field, and hopefully that young person can stay with them for a long time. So it's a great way to get those young employees and to get them trained in and get them excited. So it's a really great model, and I think it could work really good here at Cambridge.
Very cool. As you think about the future of your program and the trades in general and our CTE programs, maybe talk to us just a moment about what do you see as the future of the trade programs in our district?
Yeah, so more partner with local business would be great. Partnerships are just outstanding. If we could just grow those, that would really be helpful. We have a great automotive program. We have a nice construction program. We have a woodworking cabinet making program. So growth in any of those areas with local businesses would be really helpful. We have machining would be a great need for ours right now. There's a lot of machine shops in Cambridge, and so to have growth in that area would be good too.
Well, we are certainly fortunate to have you as a part of the Blue Jacket Nation and excited about the continuing work that you do. So thanks for joining us today.
Well, my pleasure. Thank you so much.
Yeah.